Hello, I'm Design Guy. Want to make your designs pop with a smooth grow animation? Let's dive in. First, click Create and select Videos. Choose Landscape Video to start your story. This format is ideal for widescreen display and multimedia content integration. Go to Elements, select Graphics, then type Tokyo in the search bar to find relevant images. Choose the desired graphic to add it to your project canvas immediately. Select the Power option. Next, choose the photo setting. Replace the current selection with photo to adjust the power setting accordingly. This change allows you to control the specific parameters related to photo mode. Confirm your selection to apply the new setting and proceed with your adjustments. Select the photo and click Edit. First, detach the background by clicking Detach Background. After that, click Edit again to continue making adjustments to your photo. This allows you to work with the image separately from the background, giving you more control over your edits. Use the Magic Wrap tool to select the premium location. Then, click on the tower icon to proceed. This will allow you to capture the area precisely and continue with your project efficiently. If the edit isn't perfect, click the Edit button again. This allows you to make further adjustments until you achieve the desired result. Repeat as needed to refine your changes and ensure everything looks just right. To undo your last action, press Ctrl+Z. This will revert the project to its previous state, restoring the entire image as it was before the edit. Use this shortcut anytime you need to quickly reverse changes and recover the original content in your project file. This tutorial demonstrates how to use the brush tool in Magic Grab. First, select the brush from the toolbar. Adjust its size and hardness to suit your needs. Click and drag over the area you want to capture or modify. Use the brush strokes to refine the selection or effect precisely. Remember, you can undo any mistakes by pressing Ctrl+Z or Command+Z. Practice for best results with different settings. Select your site to gather all elements. Next, apply the animation effect by choosing the desired style. Finally, add a baseline alignment to ensure everything is properly positioned and smooth. This sequence enhances your site's visual appeal with coherent motion and structure. Save your changes to finalize the animation setup. Increase the speed of the video. Next, add text to label the tower. Click the text tool, type the tower's name, and position it clearly on the screen for easy identification. Adjust font and size as needed for visibility. First, select all the text. Then, choose the desired font from the toolbar. Next, click the text color option and pick your preferred color. This updates both the font style and text color, enhancing your design's appearance quickly and easily. Make sure all text is highlighted before applying changes. Next, click the Add button, then select Animate from the menu. Choose the desired animation effect to apply to your object. Adjust the animation settings as needed, including duration and timing. Preview the animation by clicking the Play button to ensure it looks correct. Finally, save your changes to preserve the animation effect. This will enhance your project with smooth, professional motion. Continue editing as required. Let's try this line first. Next, reduce the speed to create a smooth effect. Then, apply the reverse exit animation to complete the transition. This sequence enhances the visual flow and adds a professional touch to your presentation. Adjust settings as needed for the best result. Select all elements on the screen by dragging your cursor or pressing Ctrl+A. Then, click and hold a corner handle of the selection box. Drag outward to enlarge the image and all selected elements proportionally. Release the mouse button once the desired size is reached. This method ensures everything scales evenly, maintaining layout and alignment. Use this technique to quickly adjust multiple objects in your design or document. After completing your design, navigate to the center of the workspace. Ensure all elements are aligned properly. This step helps maintain balance and symmetry before proceeding to the next phase of your project or finalizing your work. Click the Share button to share the video. You can also download it directly to your device for easy access and offline viewing anytime you need. Now you know how to create a cool grow animation in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.